Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to cancel your Preply subscription, so let's jump right in. First off, go ahead and log into your account. Then from here, you want to click on your profile icon, then go to My Lessons. Now, under My Lessons, this is where all your active lessons and subscriptions are listed. And inside the section, you'll see your tutor you're currently subscribed to, along with details about the subscription and its auto renewal status. Right now, I don't have any on this account, but it looks like this. So from here, simply select the tutor whose subscription you want to cancel. You should see an option related to subscription or auto renewal. From here, just simply choose cancel subscription and confirm your choice. Once you do this, Preply will stop automatically charging you for future lessons with that tutor. And basically, that's about it. That's how you cancel your Preply subscription quickly and easily. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.